What's up with the gang? What is up with the squad? What is up with my tater tots? I got on clothes, okay? You already know who it is. It's your girl tonight, Janae, and I'm back again with another video. Today, my phone is ringing. Hold on. So anyway, y'all, today I am going to be acting ratchet, acting ghetto. You already know what it is, what is going on. Look, I'm about to go get ready so I can get in full effect, and I'm going to be getting my mother's reaction. Yeah, this is out of pocket. So if you want to keep watching, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, follow my Instagram, Lay with 4 A's. And let's go get all ratcheted it up, whatever. Okay, I put on the most childish shirt I can find. She's gonna lose her shits. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna do the hair, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh, she's gonna flip out. Bye. Okay, y'all, I'm literally sneaking, like literally sneaking to my mama car. So she won't see me. Y'all, this is so extra. Okay, I managed to get in the car. Almost. Let me unlock the door. Okay. I know these people probably looking at me like, what the hell? Okay, y'all. So this is how I'm looking in the car. She kind of, why is my heart beating?
Why is my heart beating so fast?
What you got going on? Girl, I will beat your ass.
Wait.
Come
on.
I'm not going nowhere.
Girl, come on.
Like that. Tell me you got a boot. And then what you got on? No way.
Come on, girl. I've been waiting on you all day.
There's no way in hell that I am going with you looking like that.
You embarrassed by me?
What you got on is what I want to know. Your hair is one thing. No, it ain't.
Come on.
You will be sitting in the car.
I'm not sitting in no car, girl.
Like, what the hell you got on for real?
I don't look cute to you?
No.
No!
You look a hot damn mess.
And I'm hot and I'm probably sweating right now. For my vlog, we vlogging today, baby.
Why you didn't turn the air on? Loud old shirt.
It's hot. You ain't hot?
You got too much going on, little girl.
Ooh, and it's blowing out hot air.
No, it's not. It's just you.
Ooh. You want some?
You is go.
You ain't hot?
You gonna take that shit off.
You don't like my outfit?
Hey, what is? No, I am not going to no
Come
store
on.
with you. I'm not. I'm not going to no store with you. Not to no Costco anyway.
Your foot on the brake so we can start this bad boy up. Got my mask. Got my shoes. Real mask it. You want one of these? You want one of these ones?
Oh! Girl, if you don't move out the way. What you doing? Huh?
Is it safe to drink water that's been sitting in the car?
You talking about you had to boo-boo? You didn't have to boo-boo. You was doing all all this?
I had to boo-boo.
Where your nose went at?
Out. Like we supposed to be going, but you got all this other stuff going on.
Girl, if you don't not stop. What is this?
Laid with 4 A's, yeah. That's me. You ready?
Look at this. What she got on? Somebody, 90210. Oh,
Remember
yes.
she was wearing all that craziness?
All that,
just like,
yes.
just like that.
Oh, yeah, but no. What is this?
Seriously?
Listen, why you got black stuff up on you? You put eyeliner up under your You put eyeliner up under your lip.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Let me see.
No, well, it's time to go.
Wow.
Oh my, but I thought it was dirt.
I get it from my mama, yeah.
Look at him.
Oh, how is that in your booty like that? Stop, little girl.
Ready?
So you're doing way too much. I'm about not to go. I'm about not to go.
Make it make sense a little bit, you know?
I do. I'm about not to go. I'm just going to the bank and coming home.
How fast is you going? 2 miles?
Tonight.
So where's we going to Costco and stuff?
I don't know where you going.
With who? You ain't see them finna get over? Stay in your lane. Oh, they got their mask on in their car? Oh, that's Uber.
Tonight, if you don't put that damn sucker away, I'm about to snatch it up out of your mouth.
It's not even in my mouth right now.
It was. You had it twirling.
Oh, sorry.
Why would you do that?
It was an accident.
No, it was not.
Dang, he turning, ain't even looking. Stupid. What you eat today? I'm hungry. We got some soup. I forgot my shit was all the way back.
Yo, what?
My shit.
Yeah, okay.
Always in traffic, looking for my chapstick. We almost there. Shut up in here. Where are all these receipts? What you gonna do with these?
Can you get out of my stuff, please?
You got some goodies in there you want me to see? Some Christmas
I
gifts?
ain't got-
Who would have thought to put like caramel and green apple together?
Pickles and french fries.
Boom, boom, He was looking at you.
Like pickles and french
He
fries.
wasn't looking at me, he was looking at you. Girl, you still got it a little sign. Is they peeing on him? Didn't look like he was peeing. Yes, it did. Or maybe he wasn't looking at you. Maybe he was just looking at me. Maybe he was looking at your girl. Your girl. I'm almost to the green part. Where we going?
Where you going?
What with you. Like, where I'm going. Where are you going? It's my car. You feeling it a little too hard. That was for me.
what?
That was for me. We got some gum.
Yeah. Oh no, I don't have no gun. It is not about to get no gun in my bag.
Where's that? Fresh pack of gum.
Girl, if you don't stop.
It's old. What's the expiration date up on this? Because you know, gum got expiration dates. September 2019. Are you still finna chew it?
Good, you don't.
No, it's
You look like
2021.
him over there.
You know what a spoolie is? A spoolie is the thing that for your eyebrows. It's like a little mascara brush, but without the mascara. You sure you don't want none of this? You want some? Never said I ain't never tried to offer you none.
Don't you throw nothing out of my window. I've never in my life seen you chew a piece of gum. You don't even know how to pop it.
Let's have a popping contest. Come on. Get yours together.
Come on. You can't
You see
even blow bubbles.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
No.
Wait for it. I gotta get the saliva like this. Hold on, there ain't enough gum. There's a little piece of gum. I'm popping it like how you be popping it. Look. Wait. You ready?
Hope they close.
Costco, now they open. Why you hope they close? Huh? Huh? Sorry, get what?
You can't get out.
Look at all these people. It's they open. This whole parking lot is full of people.
You might want to stay in. Out here today. Costco always busy.
I bet you couldn't pop 7 like I just did. What they got up in their court? What he got? You went to Costco for wine and that's it? Baby, you could have got that elsewhere. Where his mask at? Because I don't see it on his face. Or in his hand or in his pocket. Nasty buddy. And there's people like her, she just like to sit in her car and take up parking spots. Her kid, where the mask at? Boo, little girl. See that little girl looking at me? I fight kids. How many you could do? Pop yours. We're all have a contest. She got her mask over her eyes. Look at that. Could you breathe, lady? Boo. People looking at you. Oh, girl, you got you a part. Skirt. Skirt, skirt. Straighten that wheel, baby. Straighten that wheel. I'm gonna take it out. She all in my face. Should I say something? You better watch that Mercedes. I know that. How close he is. Yeah, I got you on camera. He almost hit your mirror.
I'm ask him, is you gonna move this car? Are you gonna move it? Are you gonna move that cart? Okay, thank you. And the thing?
Okay, y'all, we finna leave. I turned the video off because it's way too many people up in here, and baby, I don't got time. People keep looking at me, they're gonna get cussed out, okay? So I will meet y'all back in the car when we leave Costco. Okay, y'all, we is back in the car. What you gotta say, girlfriend? Was I ratchet enough for you or wait?
In the car, yeah. Out the car, no. That is unnecessary.
Ooh, that light. Tanajane is my name. That's my ratchet name. That's what you should have been calling me, Tanajane. Do a little air grab. I'm trying to teach you the air grab. Do the air grab. Mama, show him your air grab. You ain't gonna do the air grab for the camera? Ooh, did y'all see that lip? That thing said roop. Okay, y'all, that completes this video. We finna to go up in the beauty supply store, get some stuff. Make sure that y'all like, y'all comment, y'all share, y'all subscribe. Finish it out, mama dudes. Finish it out.
What?
My outro.
That's
Wow, starting it off
laid
completely.
with 4 A's.
No. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like,
Comment
share,
and subscribe.
follow me on Instagram. That is laid.
With 4 A's.
And I will see y'all on my next mother freaking video.